Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use part 3 case of ball bearing. Today you can see here case of ball bearing, and ball is a complete drawing and one by one drawing. So let's see what are the two case parts of ball bearing and ball is drawing here, and how to easily use in SolidWorks. At first open software SolidWorks software. Now we will see a new create a sketch. You can see here two parts is this part is final product is ball bearing, and this part is isometric view of case of ball bearing. This is a side view, this is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is a ball. You can see here part 3. First part is a inner part of ball bearing, second part is a outer part of ball bearing, and third part is a case of ball bearing, and fourth part is a ball. This is a ball, and this is assemble is all component, all parts you can see here. This is a final product, this is a outer parts of ball bearing, this is a inner parts of ball bearing, this is a case of ball bearing, and this is a ball, and all is assemble, and this product is ready, and final product is a ball bearing. Okay, and next third part is today drawing. You can see here, at first open a SolidWorks software. Okay, this is our SolidWorks software interface, and at first select a plane. At first select a plane, and plane is front plane. Okay, and this is a at first select a case of ball bearing. Okay, 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 okay. This is a drawing. You can see here, first is two circle is drawing. First is 94 diameter and second is 84 diameter. Okay, two circle is drawing, first is and second, and dimension is a 94 mm, and second is 86 mm. Dimension is dimension. Okay, okay, dimension is mm, 86. Okay, and select feature and select extrude, and this is a mid plane. Mid plane is very important, because assembly, this is a parts of assemble, and component is very important. Okay, and this is a 16 mm. Okay, this is a 16 mm, this part is 16 mm, and okay, okay, this is 16, and okay, okay, and okay, and select a white plane is white, and again next is drawing this face. Okay, and select a normal, and this is a center line is drawing. Okay, this is a center line. Okay, and select a line is a drawing. You can see here, and this is a circle, half circle is drawing. Okay, and one circle is drawing. Okay, this circle is drawing, and circle is a, this is a construction geometry. Okay, this point is a construction geometry, and this line and this point is a select and coincident. Okay, okay, this point is a, okay, at first control Z. Okay, okay, mention dimension is a, dimension is 90. Okay, okay, correct, and this dimension is a 12. Okay, okay, and this part is drawing extra parts is a delete. Okay, this is a correct, this is a correct, and again extrude revolve boss base, and this is a revolve cut, this is a use revolve cut. Okay, you can see here this revolve cut is a perfect, and fillet is you can see here fillet is 2.1, radius is 2.1, and cell command is use 1.5. okay, radius is 2.1. Okay, and this point is a fillet, and this point is a fillet. Okay, okay, and select a, this is a temporary axis, and select a mirror circular pattern. This is a pattern is circular pattern, and this part is a, this is a axis, this axis, and this face is a, this part and this part. Okay, and this is a 8, this is a 360 angle, 8 parts and equal spacing. Okay, correct, and again cell command is used, cell command is a 1.5, enter, and this face is select here, and this is a select, and this is a select. Okay, this is a okay. Okay, and again use this is a perfect case of ball bearing, and again this is this face is select here, select click sketch and normal. Okay, and this is a center line is drawing this point, and this point is a, okay, and select a small circle, this point is drawing, and this is a rivet, use a rivet. Okay, and dimension is 2 mm. Okay, and this is point, and this line and this line is angle is 360 divided by 16. Okay, this is a 22.5. okay, this is a perfect, and select a extrude cut, and this is a through all. Okay, this is a perfect, and select a pattern is a circular pattern, and select a center point is axis, this click here, and this is a axis, and this is a, okay, this point is select here, this face. Okay, 8 point is, you can see here preview is showing here yellow color, and this is a cut is okay, and 8 point is a cut. Okay, and this point is a, okay, temporary axis is hide, and okay, okay, and this is a complete, and this color is perfect, and this color is a, this color is a, you can see here. Okay, dark is okay. Okay, next is change. This is a perfect. Okay, this color is also okay. Case of ball bearing is ready, and save. This plane is okay. Save. Okay, and next is a click here, and next is a select parts and drawing. Next is a ball. Okay, and select front plane. Okay, this is a line is a draw this line, and this spacing half circle, and this is a dimension is a this point is select here is extra, and this point is a okay, this point is delete here, and this point and this point is coincident. Okay, and this dimension is a 12. Okay, and select a extrude revolve boss base, and this is a okay, this is a okay, and this is a white plane is white, and color is a red. Okay, okay, this is a ball, this is a ball is complete, and this is a case of ball bearing, and this is a ball is two parts is complete, and this is a save, this parts is save 3. Okay, okay, this is a parts 3 case of ball bearing and ball is complete, and next is assemble is all of part 3. Part 4 is assembling point, and complete of all ball bearing is complete, and all parts is drawing, you can say here. Okay guys, thank you.